Okay, so this is the Yamaha that has several blown components. One of them is this MOSFET. Is two of them. So this one came out from here. The other one is this one. So I think they work together. One is for high side and low side. One is for the high side. Other one is for the low side, producing a negative high voltage and a positive high voltage here through this transformer driven by this blown IC. Okay, so yeah, so what happens here? The power comes in through. This IC is a high side low side driver, which controls the switching on and off of the high side and low side MOSFET. So it is blown. It also blew these MOSFETs, and I can see this transistor already is blown, obviously. I'm not sure about the other ones. They will need more testing. So it looks like it's got two power supplies. So this power supply produces the voltage for the speakers through these two pins. And then on the other side, we've got a transformer. So this transformer, well, I think it provides the lower voltages for the preamp, for the display, the buttons, and all of that. It comes through this transformer and these capacitors here. So these capacitors provide the lower voltages, standby and other voltages for preamp. Then these ones are for the power amp side. So our problem is here. This is evident. So we can check for other things. Like, besides the IC, we can quickly check. These transistors here. Just a quick test. We can quickly test. Let me move my meter to diode mode. Okay, no short. Short leads there. I'm saying a short, but it might as well still be this transistor because I haven't removed it. So let's check this side. This side is not showing a short, but the readings are weird. Oh, this side's telling me there could be a short, or I'm measuring a resistor. There is a fusible resistor here that's also bent. Okay, I think I'm gonna pause the video to assess this point because I'll need to remove a few components first. We've got a voltage regulator there. It's a 7815 here. It's a 7815. This. Okay. So the regulator is not showing a short. And what is this? Some kind of fusible resistor, orange, black. That is black, orange, maybe 33 ohms. I think this one is fine. To check the other parts, I'll need to first remove the blown components because they might still be disturbing me. I still haven't removed one of the MOSFETs, so it might still be giving me misleading readings. And then on this side, let's check the transformer, whether it's bent or not. See the transformer, I'm gonna flip it, and then we're gonna investigate the coils of it. Okay, so I've flipped it. So the transformer is here. Let me just mark it. The transformer this is the transformer. There, I've marked it. So we can quickly check the primary side, which is here. Okay, so I'm measuring a diode drop like this, then which means probably the primary side is fine. Okay, so it's got a fuse. So these two pins inside is the fuse, and then the coils are here, between here and here. Okay, so it's fine. And then on this side, it should give a very low reading, close to 0. Well, that's fine. 0.14. That is fine. So the transformer is fine. And then here, and what else can we check? It's got where does the power come in? It comes in through this point. So now, since this thing was not powering on, it wasn't powering on, so maybe what we can check, maybe one of these resistors is bent, because it's not powering on. It's possible when these things bent and shorted, maybe one of these got bent, because it doesn't have these. They're very low. Oh, they're not very low, but 6.8 ohms. So these are 6.8 ohms. These two cement type resistors here, they're 6.8 ohms. So let's just quickly measure them. So here they are, it's two of them. Okay, so let's quickly check them. Okay, then move to ohm range straight. Okay, so this one, yeah, 6.8. I'm getting 6.9. That's fine. Oh, so they are still fine. So they are fine. They are fine. Okay, so let's continue our diagnosis process. Okay, seems like we are winning. You can see the, what is that? Yeah, you can see lights. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but that we can figure out. But it looks like things are going well, because I can see some life in it. Can see some life in it. Okay. Okay, so this is the mixer. Ever fix something that you fix and you feel so proud? I'm proud of myself here. Here I am proud of myself. I am really proud. I'm really proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself. I'm proud of myself here, because it's not every time that you get to fix something so nice, so quality, and the amount of work I put here, I'm proud of myself. But okay, sorted at least. So what we had to do, you see this entire section from here, except the regulator there, everything was changed, right up to those cement type resistors and the IGBTs. Everything was changed. It was damaged so badly, and the feed tracks underneath. So, but the good thing is we managed to fix it, and that is great. That is great. The thing with fixing something like this takes a lot of research, a lot of work. So I had to consult the service manual for this one to actually see how it works, and get the schematics, and also get to find out the parts that you see. Like there was this particular Zina, I didn't know what it was. I tried looking for a data sheet of it. It took me time, but I ended up finding the part that could fit there. So the IGBTs are not that cold. I had to put some extra thermal paste there on the IGBTs, because they ran hot. So because they failed before, and when they failed, they took away every other thing. You see, so that's the IC. So what we actually bought is one, the high-side, low-side driver, and the IGBTs. Those we bought. But these ones, we had them lying around. We had equivalents, so we just put equivalents. But I think they're not running hot. The temperature is it's not that much. But the thing that I still have to fit nicely is the NTC, the temperature sensor there. I have to put it, make sure it sticks to the heatsink so that it can record the temperature appropriately. So this is it. This is it. I'll post the rest of the documentation, the research work that I did for me to get to this point. So it is fixed now.